Hello students, welcome to our math class. So we have already started our chapter 3 about quadrilateral. So first we discuss about polygon. What is polygon and different types of polygon. So another definition of the convex polygon is if the angles of a polygon is less than 180 degree, then it is convex. What is the convex polygon? If the angles of a polygon is less than, smaller than 180 degree, then it is convex polygon. Similarly, if any one angle of a polygon is more than 180 degree, any one angle is greater than 180 degree, then it is concave polygon. Okay. So what is angle sum property? Angles of, we know that, what is angle sum property? Angle sum property of a triangle is, we know that 180 degree. Sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So what is the sum of its exterior angle of a triangle? So see, this is a triangle. Suppose we extend this side and this and this. Okay, A, B and C. Here angle name is 1, 2 and 3. So angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the interior angle of the triangle. And this is, suppose X, Y and Z are the exterior angles. Okay. So angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So we prove that what is the sum of the exterior angles of polygon or a triangle here. So but angle 1 plus x, how much? X angle is equal to how much? 180 degree for a linear pair, because both are linear pair. Okay. Similarly, angle y plus 2 is equal to also 180 degree. This also linear pair. And angle z plus 3, 180 degree, also a linear pair. Okay. So now we sum of 3, 1, 2 and 3. Find the sum. Angle 1 plus x, angle y plus angle 2 plus angle z plus angle 3. How much? 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree. Okay. Means here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, how much? 180 degree. Why? The angle sum property means angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to this much, 550 degree. Again angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. We change to left hand side to right hand side, that is minus 180. That is equal to how much? 360 degree. Means the exterior angle, sum of exterior angle x, y and z, sum of exterior angles of triangle is 360 degree. Similarly, sum of exterior angle, sum of exterior angle of any polygon. This is three-sided polygon. Okay. Of any polygon is also 360 degree. Okay. Sum of any polygon, sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay. So next we find the each interior angle is how much degree. So if it is regular polygon, the measurement of each exterior angle is, if it is a regular polygon, then measurement of each exterior angle is equal to how much? 360 degree by n. N means n is equal to number of sides. Okay, देखो, if the polygon is regular, then this is the formula of exterior angle. Suppose, look at the picture, look at the triangle. This is a three-sided polygon. If it is a regular polygon, that means exterior angle sum is 360 degree. Number of sides equal to 3. So, how much? 120 degree. So, each exterior angle, ये formula है exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle, each exterior angle is how much degree? 120. This is 120 degree. Y also 120 degree. This also 120 degree. Means how much the angle of angle 3? देखो, this is angle sum property. We know that angle sum property is this is linear pair also, and this one is 120 degree. So angle 3 equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Linear pair. This also 60 degree. Equilateral angle. Before we know the equilateral angle, each angle equal to 60 degree. Okay. So this is the formula. In the regular polygon case, only regular polygon case, the each exterior angle of polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by n. N means number of sides. Similarly, we have some formula of exterior angle and interior angle of a polygon. That one is only regular polygon. Now, similarly, sum of exterior angle is equal to 4 into 90 degree. That is equal to 4 into right angle. 90 degree means right angle. Okay, is equal to how much? 360 degree. Sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Similarly, sum of interior angle formula is 2 into n, 2n minus 4 multiply with 90 degree. Okay, so 2n minus 4 into 90 degree means right angle is equal to, again we common with both 2, that means 2 into n minus 2 into right angle means 90 degree is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is the sum of interior angle. So each interior angle how much degree? Sum of interior angle is equal to this. Then so each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. This total is the each interior angle formula. Okay, n minus 2 into 180 degree whole divided by n. Okay, next how to find the how many diagonals are there in any polygon. Now we discuss about that. Okay, diagonals. What is the meaning of diagonals? Diagonal means it is a line segment of a polygon which join any two vertex which are not adjacent. That means diagonal means what? It is a line segment of a polygon which join any two vertex which are not adjacent. Okay, suppose we draw a polygon Okay, five-sided polygon. So suppose A, B, C, D and E. This is pentagon. Five-sided polygon means pentagon. Okay. Suppose the diagonals are what? Which are the diagonals? देखो A उसका B and E are the adjacent. So we join. This is a diagonal A and C and A and B are two diagonal. Similarly B point से start करेंगे. B का adjacent कौन कौन है? A and C means BE and BD are diagonals. Okay, then C is complete. This much. Again, suppose E, A and D. This may BE and BC are diagonals. So ऐसे करके हम diagonal को draw करना है. So how we know how many diagonals are there in a polygon? How do we find? So number of diagonals is equal to, that is also a formula, n into n minus 3 by 2. N means number of sides, n into n minus 3 by 2. Suppose if number of side means n is equal to suppose 8. Octagon. Okay, 8 sides. So how many diagonals are there in octagon? How do we find? So diagonals is equal to n means 8 into 8 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 8 into 5 by 2, 40 by 2 is equal to 20. So there are 20 diagonals in a octagon, which are 8 sides. Okay, if n is equal to suppose 5 pentagon, how many diagonals of a pentagon? How do we find? Similarly, n into n minus 3 by 2. N means 5, we put 5 minus 3 again by 2 is equal to 5 into 2 by 2. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So how many diagonals of a pentagon? There are 5 diagonals. Okay, look at here. Okay, this is a pentagon, 5-sided polygon. So students, so how do we find external angles, internal angles, diagonals? We discuss more about this. So next class we discuss our next topic. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.